Wait, it's working. Okay, it's working. Great. Hello everyone. Hello. Just a second guys, I'm setting a few things and then I will start. There is some audio issue here right now. Okay, let me check. Hello. Yes, that's working. Okay, so I think that everything is working fine now. That's great. Okay guys, so hello everyone and welcome back to this another live session. And in this live session basically I'm going to review a project, and it's basically a startup project on gate.io, and the project name is Pime DAO, which is basically Pyme. And I know that you all are and you all are heard about this project earlier as well. So as you all know that Gate is listing like so the Gate always lists like the strong project. So again they are coming up with a new project. The project name is Pyme. So in this video we will do like a complete analysis of Pyme, about their team, about their function, and about their roadmap, everything about their tokenomics. And to be very frank, Pyme is a very strong project. Okay, and the event has already ended. Okay, so event is already ended. So if you want to buy, you can buy from the exchange. Okay, it is already listed on the gate.io as well, but there is no need to be sad, because if you check out the startup, so let me share with you guys some so when you so if you want to participate in any token, okay, any coin, so what you have to do is just click here, just the upper one, click here and then go to the startup. So if you click on the startup, so here it is showing that the token launch and airdrop platform. So this startup is basically a token launch and the airdrop platform. Okay, and you can see that here they have like the 5 in progress. They have 5. These all are pending. Okay, these all are pending. So suppose if you want to participate in any airdrop, okay, suppose let me tell you, okay, suppose if you want to participate in the bits sense, so suppose I'm giving an example. So what you have to do is, first you need to log in your account. Okay, and after login your account, what you have to do is you have to hold more than 10 USDT spot assets. Okay, so you need to hold 10 USDT in your wallet, and then you can click 0 free to claim. Okay, one more thing is that so here they are written that this startup subscription is free. So not only this, but if you participate in any XYZ airdrop, so the startup subscription is free. You do not need to pay anything for this. Okay, you do not need to pay anything for this, and user can claim the project token for free. So the subscription is also free and the claim the token is also free. Now the one more thing here is that the higher the VIP tier you have, the more free airdrops you will get. Okay, so here they have already written that the higher the VIP tier, the more free airdrops you will get. Okay, hope you understand this. So if you check out here, if you want to upgrade, so just click here on upgrade, and this page will open, and here you can see that if you check out the trading volume is 0, you have VIP 0, VIP 1, 60,000 trading volume. Okay, so like if you so this is the VIP tier, and this is the VIP program. So the more, so they have already written, let me share you and they have already written that the higher the VIP tier, the more free airdrops you will get. Okay, so this is not for only this project, it is applicable for every single project. It's by sensor and prepared from Trias Max. Okay, so I hope you understand this thing. Okay, so suppose if you want to participate in any project, like suppose if you want to participate in bit sensor, suppose, so what you have to do is there is startup time and the end up time. Okay, end time. So what you have to do is, just when this window will open, like this window will open after 2 hours, you have to click here the claim. Okay, you need to click the claim. Okay, and the pool is around $50,000. Okay, so you will get the tokens. Okay, and token sale will fail if the goal is not reached in the end. So if the their goal is like 50,000, it's not for this project but any project. So if they did not reach the goal, say it's a try, suppose, so their goal is 30,000, and if they did not reach the 30,000 goal, so what will happen? They will cancel the airdrops. So token sale will fail if the goal is not reached in the end. So okay, so they will fail that token sale. Okay, so this is how the thing works. I hope you understand this, and if you want to read more, if you want to get more information, you can read here as well. Okay, so just a second, guys. And one more thing again I want to tell you, it doesn't matter any project. If you're participating in a startup project, then the VIP 0 user can hold $10 assets to join the lottery for the startup airdrop rewards. Okay, so if you are if you are a suppose if you are a VIP 0 user, so you need to hold the $10 assets. Okay, so that's all. Okay, great, it's working. Yes. Okay, so now let's move forward and discuss about the project. So if we check out the Pime DAO, so if we talk about the project, okay, what the project that what is Pyme? So if we talk about the Pyme, so basically what is Pyme? So Pyme is basically a governance token of PymeDAO. Okay, so this is basically a Web3 ecosystem that accelerates the growth of early crypto companies. Okay, so Pyme, so if you talk about the Pyme, so Pyme is basically is basically a governance token, and it is used in the Web3 ecosystem to accelerate the growth of early stage of companies and projects. So how they help these early stage crypto companies? So they do some pre-launch accelerator programs, some crowdfunding launchpad, and incubators as well. Okay, so these all are the ways through which Pyme help the early stage crypto companies. And Pyme, to be very frank, is a leading consumer adaptation in the Web3. So this is basically a Web3 project, and here they have written that Pyme is a community lead and build ecosystem with a strong belief in supporting projects at their early stage. Okay, so their goal is that they want to help the projects which are already in their early stage. Okay, and if a project which do not have much fund as well, so they help them in the crowd, they help that project with the crowdfunding, accelerator program, and incubator program. So these all are the ways through which they help the project. So what happened that by holding the Pyme, you are supporting and investors in the wide Web3 ecosystem with a specific focus on finding mass user adaptation and solving the real problem through crypto products. Okay, so this is like a short introduction, but here on the website I will give you a complete information about the Pyme as well. Okay, so first we are reading here. This is a startup project, and so if we so this is the project this is like a project introduction, and here you can read that they have the Pime DAO. They are like initial free offering. Okay, so as you can see here, like Gate.io is doing really great jobs. Okay, if you check out some other other exchanges, they never provide anything like this free thing. Okay, so now they never provide the free thing, they always charge something, but here it is free. So it is like a free initial free offering. So startup purchase price is 0, unlock rules is 100%. So if we talk about the startup, so they have allocated 2 million, approx 2 million supply, and the token will be 100% unlock. Okay, so this is like a very great thing we have. Okay, this is really a great thing that so this is the great thing that they are launching that the token is 100% unlock. Okay, and later we will discuss about this founder and CEO token allocation as well. So let's check out their website first. Okay, so this is a website of Pyme. So the website of Pyme is PymeDAO.com. Okay, so this is a website of Pyme. Okay, so this is the website of Pyme, and this is the website of PymeDAO, PymeDAO.com, and here you can read that the PymeDAO Pyme token launch on it. So it's already launched. It was Gate.io 31.8, so it is already launched on Gate.io. So you can also see in the coin market cap, crypto potato, and Benjinga. Okay, so here you can read that if you hold a if you hold the Pyme, so you are investing in tomorrow Web3 breakout starts, and as those companies grow, so does the value of Pyme. So if you talk about the mechanism, so suppose if Pyme invested in any company, or they help in a company, and if that company grows, so does the value of Pyme will also grow. Okay, and they have written that our community is a key. We give them the biggest reward for helping us launch and scale the leading Web3 companies. Okay, so as you can see, if you talk about the monthly users, so they have 40k plus monthly users, and if you talk about the wallet connected, so they have 400k plus wallets already connected. They have like 150k plus social followers, which is really a great thing. They have 4 million plus marketing actions as well. They have good followers, wallet connected month, so everything is good. Okay, and to be very frank, if you talk about the the actual work of the Pyme. So Pyme ecosystem basically supports the Web3 project at their early stages. Okay, this is the use case of Pyme. So they help the Web3 project at their early stages. So how they do this? So they do this by working best companies, team and communities early. So you get a massive upside by just holding Pyme, yet we also give you access to our wider ecosystem. So they give you access to the wider ecosystem as well, and they have this new project. Okay, so this is the thing we have, and soon they will launch this project. Okay, so this is the project. Soon they will launch this. KKX launches soon. So let's discuss about this as well. What is this, guys? In the meantime, if you have any query regarding this project, you can ask me. I will definitely answer your queries, guys. Okay, if you have any, just ask me. Okay, guys, so if you talk about the KKX, so what is this KKX? So this is our this is basically their Web3 native crowdfunding launchpad, and they have written that we give you access to the best early stage Web3 products and communities. And so the thing is same. If we talk about the launch, so build traction from day one, growth your social and build platform. So if you read more about the KKX, so here you can click the KKX, and here they have written that Web3 native crowdfunding. So you can launch, grow your community and raise funds. So Web3 startup faces challenges. They use user to attract funding, but they need funding to attract users. Okay, so they solve this. So what happened right now? You have seen like there are so many projects in market which raise like $100 million, $200 million to attract the users, and crypto users are attracting toward those projects, guys. Okay, they're attracting towards those projects, and that's what they are saying, that they need funding to attract the users. Okay, so now in crypto, if some project raise like a good amount of funding, then users will definitely attract towards the project. Okay, this is a reality, and that's why Pyme is trying to solve. Okay, here we go. That's okay. So here you can see the day 0. Okay, so what is this is basically an incubator for the Web3 future. They are launching soon. So they have projects. Okay, so they have projects. So this is the KKX. Okay, this is a KKX which is launching soon. They have the Citizen 10. Okay, and they have the Comf. Okay, so they have 3 projects on there. So how does work? Okay, so if you want to check out the tokenomics of each project, so you can read it here, that the 10% lapse member, so day 0 point convert 1-to-1 basis on or 1 billion supply, and 10% allocated to the PymeDAO for the long-term growth, and 10% reward for the Pyme token holders. Yes, if you are a Pyme token holder, so this is how you will get the reward. Okay, so this is how you will get the reward, and 5% is allocated for the early adopters, like pre-launch reward, and 10% they have allocated for the staff, for the team, and 50% they have allocated for the marketing, liquidity and growth. Okay, so the 50% is allocated, like they are planning some marketing, and some they are using, they will use this as a liquidity as well. Okay, so this is the tokenomics part of each project. Okay, so this is fixed and this will not change. Okay, this is fixed and this will not change. So this is like written at tokenomics for each project, so this will not change. So they will launch it soon. Let me open, let's see what is this.
Okay, I found this on the web for issue this. This is the part of each.
Okay guys, I hope you understand this. Now let's move forward. So this is the day 0. This is a superpower relaunch, is a superpower. So our 10-week accelerator program built for the projects with a working project. Okay, with a working project now ready to launch and scale their community. So they have the 10 weeks accelerator program, fundraising support as well. And if you talk about the company, they have worked. So you have seen that they have Immutable, they have OmniFlex, 7x is also a famous one, they have Orb, they have Hashmail, they have Ramiro. So they have big names in their list. Okay, so if we talk about the Pime DAO allocation, okay, let me share with you guys the allocation as well, tokenomics part. Let me check out. Okay, so this is a tokenomics part, and we are taking part in the startup. So all our tokens will unlock, 100% of token will unlocked. Okay, so there is no issue, but I'm sharing with you a tokenomics. So if you want to buy for the long term, okay, so you can take your decision. But to be very frank, Gate.io always lists the strongest project. Okay, and they always list the strong project. We have seen in the past as well, and you can find n number of gems. Pyme is also one of that. So if you want to buy, you can check out and buy. If you have any question, you can ask me. Okay, there's this is not issue with that. So if we talk about the Pyme, so Pyme is basically launched on the Ethereum blockchain on 30th June 2023. Okay, if we talk about the total supply, so the total supply is 1 billion guys. Okay, so the total or token supply of Pyme is 1 billion. And if you talk about the maximum initial unlocked, I mean the max amount of token when unlocked is 68 million, and expected initial unlock, so this is the expected, like, okay, the expected is 55 million, but if you talk about the maximum, so it will not exceed than 68 million. Okay, so our tokenomics were approved by the, so they have the DAO system as well. As I told you earlier, it is a part of a Pime DAO. So they have this DAO system as well. So they got the approval from the community with the 93.39% vote, which is really great guys, because when we talk about the DAO, so you know DAO, so if any project is working with the DAO, they have DAO, so for them community is first. Okay, so they will not take any decision without approving the community, so the community approval is first. Okay, Okay guys, I hope your question, I hope still now you don't have any question or query. If you have any question query, you can ask me in the comment box. I will answer your queries. Okay guys, I will answer your queries as well. Okay, here we go. Okay, so so if you talk about their tokenomics, so they have like 510 million tokens will be fully vested at the end of the 17th month. So their the complete unlocking will happen after 6 years. So the to fully vested at the end of the 6 years. So they have the 6 years time period. So if we talk about the token and DAO governance, okay, so as I told you earlier that Pyme is basically a governance token of DAO, and Pyme token will operate on one token one vote basis. So DAO underline, so here they have written that if the community approves, Pime DAO will be legally incorporated as a non-profit Marshall Island DAO. So DAO will have a full algorithmic governance right over the token and minting mechanism. So if we talk about the tokenomics part, so here you can check out the tokenomics part. So this is the tokenomics part. So if it, so the total supply is 1 billion guys. Okay, okay, so if we talk about the tokenomics part, so the total token is 1 billion. And if we talk about the allocation part, so they have allocated sorry guys, so they have allocated 17.5% to the community growth. Then they have allocated 4% for the pre-seed. Okay, so they have community growth for 17.5%, which is 25% unlock at the TGE, and they have the 3-month lockup. So now there is no unlock for the 3 months. Okay, and they have the monthly vesting for the 12 months. Then they have pre-seed round, which they have allocated only 4%. So they have like 20% unlock at the TG, then again 3 months lockup, and then the monthly vesting for the 12 months. And pre-sale is 1.5%, which is 100% at the TG. Like if you are participating in the DAO, if you are participating in the startup, so you are eligible for this. And the accelerator, we have the 5%. So 3 months, they have 3 months lockup, then monthly vesting for the 24 months. Okay, and the Superpower Labs, they have allocated 8%. So they have 6-month lockup. So right now, as you can see, the tokenomics part, so the tokenomics part is really good as compared to the other projects. And when we talk about this tokenomics part, so there is like a very less selling pressure. Okay, there is not that much selling pressure will come. So because most of the tokens are locked. Here you can see the 3-month lockup, 6-month lockup, 24-month lockup. This 110% will unlock at the TG, then vesting in demand. And liquid and reserve is the vesting in demand. So this one is locked, this one is locked. So most of the supply is locked. So there is not that much selling pressure in the market. Okay. So guys, till now, if you have any question query regarding the Pyme project, You can ask me, okay, in the comment box. I will answer your questions, and then I will, if you don't have, then I will move forward. Okay guys. So to be very frank, tokenomics part of Pyme is really great guys. Trust me, tokenomics part is really great, and I am sure that this project will definitely do something big. That's for sure. Okay, so let's move forward guys. Brave browser community growth team them. So if we talk about the token utility, so what is the token utility? So I told you earlier in the starting as well that Pyme token is basically a governance purpose and is considered as a utility token, because utility is also a very important part. If a utility of any project is good, then the price will follow. This is like this is a simple thing. And so what you can do by holding the Pyme, so by holding the Pyme you can participate in the governance of Pime DAO. Okay, and you can help the Pyme to like how you can allocate the resources, how the project is shaped, and how the Pyme ecosystem grow. And they have written that there is no inherent value in owning the token, nor does it represent a share of DAO assets. So so the DAO is able to operate and it sees fit in line within the constitution and the Marshall Island regulations. You can use the Pyme token for the on-chain to vote for or against the proposal put forward by the DAO. So if they want any changes or something, they will create a poll, and if you are holding the token, you can participate in that poll as well, and you can vote against or in favor as well. That totally depend on you. Okay. Okay, so if we talk about the community team, so here you can see that they have the loyal, they have Libby, which is in the DAO council. They have Art King, they have Bilal, they have Simon Michael, the founder CEO. And if you want to join the community, you can join their community as well. So let's talk about the founder as well. Who is the founder? Okay, so this is the technical overview. And if we talk about the founder, so the Simon Michael is the founder here. And who is the Simon Mounder? So Simon is basically a co-founder of Pyme and Superpower Labs. So he has over 10 years of experience in organic community sales, with over 10 million generated through previous business sales. So he has very good knowledge, and he's expert in his field, and a serial entrepreneur, speaker, and mentor. Okay, so he's a multi-talented guy. He's an entrepreneur, he's a speaker and mentor, and he leads the Day Zero incubator and KickX, which is basically a Web3 native crowd platform, both started in the Pyme ecosystem. Okay, so this guy has a very huge knowledge, huge experience. So this will definitely do something big, guys. Be very frank. Okay guys, so this is the Pyme, and just a second, I missed something else as well. So let's talk about the staking the Pyme coins. Okay, so here you can stake the Pyme tokens as well. So a complete step-by-step guide how you can stake your Pyme tokens in the Pyme supercharge. Okay, so stake your token to the supercharge quest as following. So you have to open this link. Okay, just open this link, and here you can read that this vault is open and APY is 156%, guys, which is like a huge Pyme, and they have the 5 million Pyme USDT bonus pool, 1 by 1 match plus. So if you stake for the 30%, if you stake for the 30 days you will get 10%, if you stake for the 90 days you will get 45%, and if you stake for 180 days you will get 120%. So example is that, so if you stake 1000 token for 180 days, then you will get a reward of 1200 tokens. Okay, so you will get 20% more. That's why it is written that it's 120%. Okay guys, so this is like a review, and where we go, yes, so here so this is a supercharge vault. Here you can participate, you can earn if you want to stake. So what you can do is just follow these option. You have to you have to log in first, and after the login you can participate in the Pyme staking as well. You need to connect the wallet, calculate the supercharge reward, and approve the Pyme, and then you will stake the tokens. Okay guys, now here we go. Now if you want to buy this token, just click the gate.io, and after clicking the gate.io just click here and click on the exchange tab. Okay, actually I'm not logging here, that's why it is showing this error. So here you need to search the ticker. So the ticker is Pyme. So this is a Pyme we have here right now, and here you can check out the Pyme chart. Okay, so they have good liquidity as well. Here you can see that the liquidity is good, and the interface of the gate.io is really great. Okay, so they have this great interface as well. So they have great interface. So if you want to open any chart, suppose if you check out like a 15-minute chart, so you can check here. This is 15-minute chart. Okay, if you want to draw a trend line, you can draw your trend line here. So this is the trend line, you can draw your trend line here. This is a trend line, and cover the resistance. So this is the resistance area we have. Okay, so this is the resistance. So this is how you can create chart as well. And that's why I suggest you guys please use gate.io exchange. To be very frank, gate.io is really a very good exchange, and continuously they are listing best projects. Okay, and also they are listing some good projects as well. So my suggestion is that do not miss to trade on the Okay, so this is how you can participate in the Pyme. And one more thing that I want to share with you guys, where it is. Yes. Okay, so this is how you can create chart as well. And if you want to check out the information about the Pyme, so you can click here, and here you will check out their ETH scan, their website, a short introduction of Pyme as well. Okay, so this is the thing. And they have the limit orders, market order, spot order, advance order. So they have the TWP as well. If you do not know the meaning of TWP, just click the TWAP and click here. So here you can read that the TWAP is basically a time weighted average price in an algorithmic trading strategy where users can split a large order into the multiple small orders. Okay, so this is the thing. Yeah. And so if you want to participate in any startup projects, what you have to do is just click here and go to the startup. So this is basically a token launch and airdrop platforms. And here you will find that a token launch platform for innovative and vast project. Claim free airdrop and join hands with a great charity to help project in need. Okay, so they are indirectly they are helping the projects as well. And till now, till dates, they have launched the 833 project, guys. Okay, so this is really big, guys. Okay, so the number is really big. So they have launched 833 projects, and you can check out the amount as well. Amount is also really huge. Okay, so get.io also helps the community, and they are also helping the project as well. Okay, so this is the thing. And so you can claim your free tokens as well. So right now there are many projects in process. So currently we have 5 projects in process: BitSensor, Chili's, they have QAN, Tribe, or Smart Dex. Okay, so these all are pending, and if you want to participate, you can participate as well. Okay, guys, so yes, so that's all from my side. So this was my review for the Pyme. And if you have any question or query regarding the Pyme token, you can ask me. I will definitely answer your queries. And do not forget to follow me on gate.io. And they have upcoming projects as well. So go click the startup button, and there you will find the n number of projects. And if you find any, if you think that okay, this project is good, so you can participate in that. I have shared with you guys the Pyme. So Pyme is basically a really strong project with the low token, and the total token vested period is around 6 years, and the total supply is 1 billion. So you have enough time as well. Okay, and currently there is no such selling pressure as well. So so the airdrop peoples are currently selling the coin, but soon it will recover as well. So do not participate as well. And now I'm signing off. Take care, bye. And